Get ready to upgrade your TV experience? 2TV.store is the perfect choice for you. Get access to an intuitive and rich watching experience with our EPG-enabled channels, daily updates of TV channels, news channels, sports channels, kids channels, and more. Enjoy the ultimate streaming experience at a fraction of the cost and never miss a single thing. Join thousands of happy customers who are already enjoying 2TV.store. Start watching today and upgrade your TV experience. Get ready to experience TV like never before. With 2TV.store, you'll have access to over 34,000 HD channels from a variety of countries, plus a massive VOD library and sports channels. Buy now and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies from the comfort of your home. Plus, you'll benefit from blazing fast servers with no buffering. Stop waiting and start streaming with 2TV.store today. We offer a wide selection of movies and TV shows for an affordable price. We also offer a wide selection of sports to watch with our live streaming service. We offer a wide selection of movies and TV shows for an affordable price. We also offer a wide selection of movies and TV shows for an affordable price. We also offer a wide selection of movies and TV shows for an affordable price. We also offer a wide selection of movies and TV shows for an affordable price. We also offer a wide selection of movies and TV shows for you. With more 34,000 channels and VODs, you'll be watching IPTV in a radically new, intelligent, and intuitive way. We have big and fast support team waiting for you. With more than 10 years of experience, almost channels work without any buffering. We update new content daily. We are the most trusted IPTV server. 2TV Store have the best offer for you. Click on the link below. And let's start. Plus, no more lagging or buffering, just smooth, lag-free streaming. Get ready to enjoy the best of entertainment with 2TV.store. We support all devices: Smart TV, PC, MAG, smartphone, Android TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Smarters app, and VLC-M3U. Smart TV, Amazon devices, Apple devices, PC laptops, Gemma satellite box, Dreambox, Xbox One, PS4, iPad, iPhone, Android tablets, and many more devices. Get the most of your TV with 2TV.store. Enjoy an amazing streaming experience with our EPG-enabled channels, daily updates of TV channels, news channels, sports channels, kids channels, and more. With our easy-to-use farm service, you'll never miss a thing. Upgrade now to get all your favorite media and events in one place and start watching today. Enjoy crystal clear 4K quality videos with no buffering or lag, and access a huge library of movies and shows with our video on demand feature. Don't miss out on the latest content either. We update new content daily. Get more bang for your buck and sign up now. You will get access to all international channels from around the world, including all major and premium channels from the US, UK, and across all Europe. We even have Latin, African, Asian, and Arabic channels. Our IPTV streaming is compatible with all your devices: smart TVs, Android box and phone, Apple devices, Amazon Fire Stick, Kodi, and MAG box. We support all kinds of devices. We offer you best premium worldwide TV channels, sport, movies, TV series. You can watch them anytime, anywhere on your mobile device or laptop. That's why we call it 2TV Store. With 2TV.store's IPTV service, your entertainment experience can get even better. Enjoy the world's largest selection of channels with crystal clear, high-quality picture anytime, anywhere. All you need is a device connected to the internet and our IPTV subscription. Plus, with our unbeatable customer service and unmatched reliability, you'll have no worries when streaming your favorite shows and movies. Try us out today and upgrade your watching experience with 2TV.store. Get the ultimate TV experience with 2TV.store. With our EPG-enabled channels, daily updates of TV channels, news channels, sports channels, kids channels, and more, you'll never miss a single thing. Upgrade your old TV services to 2TV.store for the best streaming experience available. Start watching today and enjoy an intuitive and rich viewing experience that is sure to please. Buy now at the link below and never miss a thing.